Hi, my name is Brooklyn, and I'm starting up a channel here called Garden Goodies, 4 Seasons of Eating. I live in the Pacific Northwest, and as you can see, this is not all from my garden, but I have a nice, lovely veggie smoothie, actually, some of it is from my garden. This channel is something I've been thinking about for a long time because I've been gardening off and on for about 20 years. I've also done foraging and different things like that, so I will share some of those things through this channel as well. But I think I have a little bit of a different idea on gardening than what I've seen a lot of, and there's possible things that might inspire you a little bit differently. If you're like me, where you have some space, because you like live in the city and you do have some amount of yard, but not a huge space, then this might help you like get ideas on what to do with that. Here on our property, I mean, daffodils aren't edible, but they are really lovely, and this is a section my roommate does a lot of the flowers. So the flowers come up here, but a lot of them are edible. And you'll like gladiolas and dahlias, and you can eat flowers and bulbs and different things. So most everything here is edible. And I'll show you a little bit about what I do for supplementing, like if you're trying to grow really nice head lettuces and they're just not doing very well, what kinds of things you can plant that are perennial that you can augment what you're doing, and just give you some ideas and show you what I'm doing. I plan on keeping them really short so you can just get like a information packed. As you can tell, I kind of talk a little fast, so I plan on just an information packed snippet for you from time to time that you can maybe just see a different way of looking at it. And as I get requests, I'll also possibly do some other types of things and give you more information, because I process a lot of my own things. Like for instance, I had so many raspberries last year, I created vinegar out of it, and that vinegar actually happened to produce this lovely mother that I just started using to make my own kombucha. So I have my own kombucha made from my own garden produce. So I hope I can give you some ideas like that and that you'll enjoy my channel. Thanks.
Okay.